Alright, see ya, Guinness. Guinness is the dog. See ya, buddy. You. It's another day. I'm hoping for a redemption sale because yesterday didn't go so good. I got the 7.5 Essie line on the Hydro with the 40 Patrick P race fin, and I think there's definitely enough wind. Don't think it's too much. It's meant to back off. Now I've got a plan today. I want to go somewhere. I want to go up and race dump trucks. I've been able to beat the dump trucks on the SLW, and I'd just like to get somewhere on this thing. So far I've just been going out and tacking up here, and I'd like to try and go somewhere. Mitch was going to try and come across yesterday, but yeah, it was a big mess. It was what I call a dog's breakfast. It was all just gone messy, and yeah, I had sand and stuff flying everywhere here. It was on shore and it just went bang, and I wasn't ready for it. And I guess I'm still figuring out sailing, so testing boards, and someone said, oh, you got to push the limits and break them, and I'm just still figuring out wind. And yeah, like a day like yesterday, these westerlies just kick in so quick, and you just, I don't know, I wouldn't say it's luck, but you just got to go with your feeling and see what happens and hope it happens good. Sand off my sail. Yeah, I reckon this is going to go. It's pretty choppy. It looks pretty choppy to me. Let's see. Got to get warmed up. It's pretty cold, but I didn't think I'd go out. I want to go at the beach in the surf or something and be warm over there. It's a cold breeze. Yeah, lucky I'm on the big board. It's not much power at all. So get it going though. It should go alright. Just barely going. If I come out of the harness and really pump it, it might go. Got quite a lot of downhaul on the sail. Booms. Usually a bit higher when it's light. I guess these winds get gusty too, so you never know to rig for the gust or not. Just didn't quite link that gust up. I'll link this one up and we're away. Fin feels good, all feels good. Trying to push up wind here. I haven't gone up that far at all yet. I pushed it hard there and felt the fin start to slip. Got control again. It's just riding like a normal board, really. I've just it all feels kind of the same but different, if that makes sense. I've come right back to the same spot. Why didn't I go upwind? I wasn't looking upwind, I was looking at the board, fanging through the chop. I'll try and look up there this time and see what happens.